Hello traders everywhere, Jeremy Lutz coming to you from the digital studios of Market Club, and may the 4th be with you on Star Wars Day. And as you can see, we're taking a look at Apple right now, who issued a new green weekly trade triangle at 178.93, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100, and also reaching an all-time high of 183.87 today. And that came on the heels of news that Warren Buffett had said that Berkshire Hathaway had bought an additional 75 million shares of Apple in the first quarter of this year, adding to an already great week by Apple, as we can see if we switch to a weekly chart here. Looking at right now a 13% gain on the week, which is just simply incredible for Apple and that machine that just keeps chugging along. And with that, they're dragging the entire rest of the market with them, as we'll switch to an S&P 500. And as you can see, it's currently up 1.2% on the day. And we'll take a look at the weekly chart. However, even though it's up on the day right now, it's down about 0.25%. with a chart analysis score negative 55. Be interesting to see towards the end of trading if we're able to break back into positive territory. If not, that will be the second consecutive week of losses for the S&P 500, who did issue a new, we'll change this to a daily chart here because we can't see it yet on the weekly chart. We did issue a new red weekly trade triangle at 2,610.79. after the S&P 500 had hit a new low of 2594.62 yesterday, before reversing course and heading higher, closing in positive territory on the day, or almost positive territory on the day. However, the chart analysis score is still negative 55, indicating that we are in a sidelines position that is gaining strength to the downside. And your key level to watch will be 2,717.49. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the S&P 500. Dow Jones, go ahead and take a look at a weekly chart here. Currently trading at 24,270.51, down about almost 0.2% on the day, with a chart analysis score of negative 75, indicating that overall the strong downtrend is in place for the Dow. Key level to watch would be 24,858.97. A move above that level would issue a green weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. NASDAQ gaining on the strength of Apple's move higher. In fact, Facebook's having a pretty good day as well, up 1.2% on the week after losing 0.3% last week. Chart analysis score remains plus 100 with green trade triangles across the board. And our key level to watch is 6,926.97. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for the NASDAQ. Dollar index continuing to move higher, gaining 1.2% on the week, with the chart analysis score of plus 90 with green trade triangles across the board. Currently trading at 92.43, and our key level to watch remains 88.94. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position. We'll take a look at crude oil here, having a good week, up about 2.5% on the week, after posting a loss last week of 0.3%, pushing the chart analysis score to plus 100 with a new green daily trade triangle at 68.90 today. Key level to watch should be 66.92. A move below that level would issue a red daily trade triangle, indicating that the short-term trend is over and it's time to get on the sidelines for crude oil. And gold's continuing to head lower, down about 0.6% on the day, with a chart analysis score of negative 90, currently trading at 1,314.60. Key level to watch would be 1,319. A move above that level would issue a green daily trade triangle, indicating a move to a sidelines position for gold. And we'll finish it up taking a look at Bitcoin, who is having a pretty good day, up about 0.6% right now, trading back up around that 9,646 level, looking to break that 10,000 level. Currently having a gain of about 7.5% on the week, following last week's gain of 2%. Now make it its 5th straight week of gains. Currently chart analysis score is plus 100. And our key level to watch would be 7,823.06. A move below that level would issue a red weekly trade triangle indicating a move to a sidelines position. We'll back this out to a daily chart here, and we'll put on that simple moving average that we've been watching. As you can see, we're still trapped in that range between the 50-day and the blue here, and the purple, the 200-day moving average, but it is eking up closer to this level, which has moved up to 9,996.29 today. A move above that would give us a breakout to the upside, and we could see Bitcoin move considerably higher from there. With that, every success. Have a great weekend. I'll be back next week.